Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we are playing Build a Boat for Treasure. Show ya. Build a boat for treasure. Okay, so playing Build a Boat, which my brother's going to join, and I guess I will probably get started on it. We're gonna try to build, which it is very late at night. It was like 12 o'clock. So if you're wondering why I'm not talking so loud, it's probably because of that. Let's just get started. Wait, let me see something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 2 more people and then it's full. I would like do more videos. Just kind of want to do this because I like building. But this is gonna be nice. It'll be a nice boat. Nice boat just for me. Just for me. I should do like that thing where a lot of people do. But I should like do the wave. It's like 1 second. Slash. Oh, I don't want texture. Slash E wave. See? Wave. Slash E wave. Alright, so I guess my brother's gonna join me. I don't know if he will. Hopefully he does. But I guess the boat will look good. Need 2 chairs. Guys, by the way, soon I'm gonna get a Roblox game card, which if you want, you don't have to, but you can join my group. I'm gonna do Roblox giveaways. I mean, like, I'm not asking for stuff, I'm just saying, because heads up. So I do help on jailbreak and stuff. I would give some cash if, like, you know. Okay. I like to make my boats look nice. By the way, guys, sometimes I accept all my friends' requests. And guys, by the way, if you guys like jailbreak, I have a VIP server which I would play it sometimes with, like, I do give some money to people. But wait, 1 second. Okay, so he's in, and he's gonna join my group. I guess we're gonna talk to my chat because I mean, like, he's inside the room over there. Okay, so little cage. It's looking sharp. I was gonna say it's looking sharp, but it's kind of looking ugly. It's not looking fresh. I like looking fresh. Oh, yep, there you go. So he's in. It's just us in. Probably looking at the boat like that's just a cube little baby house. And guys, go subscribe to his channel. I don't know if he's accepted the thing, but it's Jolton Plays. I feel like, oh, that is I have some of them myself. Gonna move. Just need one there. I really want to know how much windows this guy has. I should go ask him right now. That would just ruin the video. Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh, get in. Get in, stupid. Oh my god, this dude. Let me just get in. Get in. Well, that was actually smart. Not yet, not yet. Yelling at him. Boy, don't get crap. Okay. I like doing like cool looking stuff. Oh, I always do this so I can get far. He knows what I'm doing. Move that. Move that torch. There we go. That's looking sharp. It's just us in this group. Of course, being stupid enough to block this off. God, I hate when he does that. If you guys like, put in the comments if you hate that when people, when you accidentally let somebody join your group and they're just totally not listening to you. Literally, that always happens to me, and I'm just like, leave the group. You're too annoying. You don't even listen. That happens to me all the time. But it's kind of mean. I don't like doing it, but I gotta. You want to build something nice? You gotta build something nice. So, this is it. Go. Here we go. Hopefully this gets us far. We tilted over. It's looking cool. Looking at the sky. Hello. Oh my god, that looks so weird. Don't you wish that you can like put as the floor glass? Plus, we're only making one because it's late and I gotta go to bed. School. I hate school. High water. You see how I got that know-it-all-grin and he has that wink-it-all-grin? Yeah. Sorry, I'm back. Okay. So, no duh. No duh. God, that was so easy. Yep. This looks nice, this boat. Man, look at that ceiling. So, I've been here before. Middle school sucks. This is what middle school's like right here. Jail. It's like class, 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 class. So I would make like a few videos a week, like, cause my parents are like, the viewer, like, personal stuff. Your flags are gone. Perfect. Yep. Oh crap. It's bad. Alright. This is too easy. We should have made a bigger, heavier boat. Shh. Shush. Are you stupid? Sit. Sit down. Stupid. Lol. It's on the outside of the boat. Okay, I just went to him, and he's actually good. He's good, bro. Let's suck hard. Shut up, I like that winky face. It's nice. Nice winky face. Oh, this is my favorite part. I mean, my worst part. Oh, alien ships, yes. Oh, alien ships take your parts? No! My beauty parts! Oh, oh god, he's gone. Cause that seat's empty. And I'm dumb. Why? Well, I guess that's the end of the video, guys. Well, I'll make more videos soon. Probably not always this game, jailbreak and stuff. I'll make a video tomorrow, probably. I don't know, but see you tomorrow.